viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. S.I. Balaji, the Vice President of Evolve. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us.
Thank you.
Sir, can you just let us know about Evolve, like how it came into the solar industry and from when, like how long it's in the solar industry itself?
We are in solar industry from 2011 onwards, and initially we were onto the channel partnership for SMA and Trina solar panels and inverters. Today we can proudly say that we have our own manufacturing setup. We manufacture TOPCon N-type of up to 590 watt peak and inverters up to 350 kilowatt string inverters. And we have a manufacturing setup in Ambattur, Chennai.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this RAI 2024, so any new launches you have come up this year or any projects that are in pipeline that you can share with the viewers?
Currently we are having some near about 150 megawatt solar parks getting developed in Tamil Nadu alone. Plus we are developing around 50 megawatt in Rajasthan, 50 megawatt in Chhattisgarh, 30 megawatt in Odisha, and another 50 megawatt in Madhya Pradesh. So we have currently near about 250 odd pipeline projects which is happening right now for our captive customers and as well as the OPEX customers also. Group captive.
That's great, sir. If we talk about the technology, like technology plays a very much a vital role. So how, if you can say, like for Evolve, like what's the USP that is being followed continuously?
Yes, you can say that the solar field is very quickly diversifying from one technology to another. This one. Today we have a TOPCon bifacial N-type, which is the latest one available in the market, and we are manufacturing in large scale up to 590 watt peak today. Yeah.
And if we talk about the market, this Indian solar market, so how it seems like to you for 2024 and 2025?
Oh, you can say that Indian market is in a boom, and solar is becoming a very vital, and you can say that government also is mandating for an RPO, that is renewable energy power obligation. So each and every C&I customer must be having solar energy, solar or any renewable energy for them. At least 18 to 20% they have to acquire from renewable energies. So obviously it is in a boom today, and I think until 2030 we are having a very, very wonderful time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.